used to have it all. We had everything we needed. We needed. But then we wanted more, so we drained the world for comfort. Excess. Now some are hanging at the bottom of bottles of alcohol, cigarettes and potions that are meant to kill the loneliness. But I have learned my lesson, so I ain't fallen for this. Ambulances howl on the street. The sound of panic is all I can hear. People running, masks falling, throats spoken. Who are you when no one's watching? Hang with yourself now. Do you see yourself now? Now you've gotta hang with yourself now. Do you see yourself now? Now might be our final call, but I'm afraid the world forgets too fast. Together through it all, separated when it ends through excess. And so I pray it's different this time. Ignorance is such a crime. Call me a romantic, I prefer that to the tragic. And I hope we learned our lesson and won't be falling again. Ambulances howl on the streets. The sound of panic is all I can hear. People running, masks falling, throats spoken. Who are you when no one's watching? Hanging with yourself now. Do you see yourself now? Now you've gotta hang with yourself now. Do you see yourself now? Now if you panic, it won't go away sooner. If you panic, it won't go away sooner. Ambulances howl on the streets. The sound of panic is all I can hear. People running, masks falling, throats spoken. Who are you when no one's watching? Hang with yourself now. Do you see yourself now? Now you've gotta hang with yourself now. Do you see yourself now?